going on, everybody? Today I got a 2013 Kia Sportage. I'll show you how to pull the cabin air filter out. It's going to be located behind your glove box, and first thing we're going to need to do is disconnect the damper that you have here. It's going to pull on it this way. You're going to need to remove these glove box stoppers that you have on both sides. Just turn them counterclockwise and they'll come right out. The glove box door will come all the way down. Right, so the cabin air filter is located in this compartment here, and on the right side you're going to have to squish these clips together to remove the door. Okay, that side there just kind of clips in like so. So just remember, when we put this back, we're putting this side in first. And there's the cabin filter right there. So pull the cabin filter out. Just note that this one says airflow is going down. When you get your new filter, just install it the same way. This one is super clean, so we're not changing it today. But if you need to get a filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box for you to check out. To get your new one, just stick it right back in like you took it out. A little cover, stick it in the left side first, and just push it back on. Then we're going to close the glove box door. I'm going to hook the damper back up to help me hold everything up. Get these guys, reinstall them. On both sides. Alright, then you're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.